Good morning, children. Let us see our next topic, conversion of money. You know, two denominations are there for the money, that is rupee and paise both. So, you very well know that 1 rupees equals to 100 paise. Clear? So, if you have been asked 1 rupee का 100 पैसे होते हैं, okay, for 2 rupees, then it becomes how many? 200 पैसे. इसके दो तरीके होते हैं. See, first one you directly put 2 zero of 100. Whatever the number comes here, आपको directly 2 zeros उसके back side में right side में put करना है. First method. Second method is this amount, whatever the rupee is given, this and paise, it will multiply 2 into 100, it becomes 200 paise. Let us clear with some more examples. If I am asking you 30 rupees. For 30 rupees, how many paise will be there? See, directly what you can do, 30 है written, then 100 में कितने zeros होते हैं? 2. Then after that, add this 2 zeros right side में add कर देंगे, it becomes 3000 paise. Or else second method, this 30 will multiply to the 100 and it will becomes 3000 paise. Clear? One more question. Rupee 75. For 75 rupees, how many paise? Tell me, children. 75 100 paise. How? 75 है, 75 लिख देंगे. You can add at the back side directly 2 zeros of 100. 100 में 2 zeros होते हैं, so इसमें भी रखेंगे. Or else ये 75 rupees के questions है, multiply with the 100, it gives you the answer as 7500 paise. Clear, children, about this? So children, if I am going to say how to convert paise into rupee, 350. Okay, this has been given in paise. This has been given in this one is rupee and this one is paise. So how to write down in the paise? Directly removing this dot, you can write down 350 paise like this. This dot is the partition between rupee and paise. दोनों को separate करता है. So dot को हटा देंगे. Directly write down the amount 350 paise. Second question we can see 1.25 paise. Okay, 1 rupee and 25 paise. How to do? 1 then 25 paise. Remove this dot and you can directly write down 125, that is 125 paise. Rupee 2.60 paise. How you are going to do in the paise? If I asking you, you have to write down in paise. कैसे करेंगे? 260, that is 260 paise. Remove this dot. Clear, children? So children, this question has been taken from your textbook, page number 128. Okay, refer from your textbook. See how to solve this question. Blank 10 paise coins. That means 10 paise coins. Rupee नहीं, 10 paise coins. How many 10 paise coins have the value of 1 rupee coin? कितने 10 paise coins together they can have the value of 1 rupee coin? कितने 10 paise coins को मिला के आप 1 rupee coin बना सकते हैं? So this is 1 rupee coin, okay? But here it is asked about 10 paise. So this is 1 paise coin. 1 paise coin. If I am having 2 1 paise coin, 2 मेरे पास 1 paise coin है, तो कितना होगा? 1 plus 1 it becomes 2. And you know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So 1 rupee coin होने के लिए हमारे पास कितने पैसे होने चाहिए? 100 पैसे होना चाहिए. But 1 and 1 this becomes 2. So आपको ये देखना है कि 100 तक कैसे पहुँचेंगे. Let us see. If I have one more 1 paise coin, then again 1 paise, 1 paise. Okay, let us see. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. Children, this question I am having, it has been taken from your textbook, page number 128. Refer to your textbook. Okay, see these questions carefully how to solve. Blank 10 10 paise coin. Here you have to fill the number that how many 10 paise coins, कितने 10 paise coins have the value of, कितने 10 paise coins को आप वैल्यू होगा 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin कैसे रहेगा? This is 1 rupee coin. Okay, you know that 1 rupees coin होने के लिए आपके पास 100 पैसे coin होना चाहिए. Yes, 1 rupee equals to 100 पैसे. So in that case आपको क्या करना है, आपको 1 पैसे का 10 पैसे का पूरा कलेक्शन करना है. लेट अस सी. 10 पैसे कॉइन, 10 पैसे कॉइन. If I'm having 2 10 पैसे coin, then that means 10 plus 10 20. Okay, 20 हुआ, but we have to have 100 पैसे तक होना चाहिए. Let us do more. 10 पैसे, then 10 पैसे, then 10 पैसे. Now let us see. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 10 पैसे है coin. 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 50. तो अभी और भी दो स्टेप we have to take for 100. Again we will collect 10 पैसे, 10 पैसे coin, 10 पैसे coin, 10 पैसे coin, 10 पैसे coin. Clear? Up to here we came to 50 paise. Let us see. 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 10 70, 70 plus 10 80, 80 plus 10 90, and children, what's the last? 90 plus 10 becomes 100. So we got 100 paise here up to this much coins. Let us see how much coins we need. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means we need 10 paise coins. 10 ठोक आपको 10 पैसे coins collect करना है, so that it becomes the value of 1 rupee coin. So in this case our answer comes as 10. 10 पैसे coins का value आपका होगा 1 rupee coin. Clear? Or else you can see 1 rupee coin है, उसमें कितने रहेंगे पैसे? 100. You have to divide with this 10 पैसे. Clear? 10 table you know. 10 ones are 10. Okay, this 0 will come down 10, then this 0 will go upside. 10 zeros are 0. From this we can say our answer comes as 10. This is also one method to solve this question, and this is also one method to solve this question. Clear, student? Children, we have one more question related to the that types. Blank 25 paise coins. That means how many 25 paise coins you can make 1 rupee coin. मैंने क्वेश्चन शॉर्ट कर दिया है. 25 पैसे कॉइन्स आपको कितने कलेक्ट करने हैं so that आपका 1 rupee coin बन सकता है. Let us see. 25 पैसे कॉइन है. पैसे, 25 पैसे, 25 पैसे. See, if I take 3 25 paise coin, 25 plus 25 becomes 50. 50 plus 25, 50 plus 25, it comes as 75. So we are still very far for 100 paise. Then one more 25 paise. If I add this 25 again, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So now we got 100 paise. Okay, so how many coins we have to collect? That is 1 2 3 4. 4 25 पैसे coins आपके पास होना चाहिए so that it becomes 100 पैसे. Okay, 25 plus 25 50, 50 plus 25 75, 75 plus 25 it comes as 100 paise. So here what you how much you will write down? How many coins? 4 coins. 4 25 paise coins will be used to make 1 rupee coin. Clear, children? That's all of today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you.